Hi everyone, this is week 7 of Lovable. I'm super excited because today it seems like we are getting finally released with Adapt Quest, which is super exciting news for me and for all beta testers. Get excited because today before midnight hopefully I will be able to send the invitation on your email and send you finally access to our app, which is super exciting. There is a lot of to go through, so no time to waste. Let's jump into it. So as you can see, we are having here login page, only Google authentication for now. The onboarding is basic AI quest guide that is asking you questions so it can actually understand psychological profile basically. And so we are answering some questions. Then we have decision to even more personalized profiling or jump to the app. So for this occasion we will jump to the app, so we are not waiting there. We have some summary, so let's jump into it. So it should take us to dashboard of the page, and I can finally show you what exactly we are having here. So as you can see, there is dashboard. There we are having AI assistant that is willing to do basically everything that we tell him. Also we can try it out. For example, hi, how are you today? I feel tired. But he will reply, thanks for asking, blah. What's been taking up my energy? Or preparing lunch. So, was not easy so far. We can talk about whatever, but what's cool, this is the interesting part is, can you recommend me some quests for journaling? And what the bot will do is ask me if I want to do some daily reflection quest. Yes, I will ask him. Perfect. And he asked me if that's what I want to do. I will click yes. And daily reflection is ready to track. So if I will go to quest right now, we are having daily reflections. As you can see, it's actually even there, but it's not reloading. So that's probably one of the bugs I need to check. As you can see here, there is a habit building companion, and he's introducing quick guided tour, which we can try. And it basically goes over the app, and what it does is explain how the app works and so on. So we can skip it as well because I'm the tour guide right now. And here we are having timer, which we can adjust by our needs the way we want. Then we can add tasks for it. So basically, I don't know, launch of the app. And I will write 100 estimated sessions, high priority, create task. Just do 20. Interesting to know. Boom. And I have 20 sessions. I can click here to start, and it will start the focus Pomodoros. And here the tracker is here as well. Then we are having journaling, which is quite simple. You are having your headline, it's tracking the dates and what is on your mind and how do you feel. And then we have some profile achievements, and then there is the settings. So that's what we are having right now. The main focus right now is on the chatbot, which I'm working on extensively, make it work. Because it can respond, it can actually work with the app, it can even use the application. So if you will tell him go to journal page, it will get you there, but it's still not perfect. There is a lot of nuances that I need to correct and fix. Another part of dashboard is that if you gain some experience, which you will get through completing quests, for example this one, what happens is that you will start to see your experience, and you will start to see currencies. And here is the silver block, which is asking us to reach level 3 to open. And then we are having here found bug, have an idea, you can give me feedback, which is cool as hell, because if you find some bug or you find something that, hey, I would love to suggest you something, there is simple way to do it. So I'm really looking forward any feedback. And we of course want to check what's the silver shop, right? So as we can see here, there is some silver coins. And what are these? Silver shop works in a way that For each quest you are getting some silver. It's completely up to you how much silver you are going to get. So basically you can adjust the silver reward, and for finishing the quests you are getting the silvers, right? And the silver shop works in a way that's shop for you. So basically, if you will be tracking properly your stuff, what you can do is reward yourself. So what you can do is, hey, I want to have movie night. Movie night, it's entertainment. It will cost 20 silver. Boom, weekly limit. I can do it once per week, so 4 times a month. Description, watching a movie. And I can create the rewards, right? So what this will do is that if I will gather enough of silver coins, I can spend them and spend it for some pleasure stuff or some cheat meal or whatever. And if you are not sure if you are eligible for something like that, this is super cool tool for it, because basically you will check if you did a lot of good stuff to take finally a bit of a rest, and boom, you will regain it here. So this is basically the overall check. Plus one more thing, I introduced post hoc into the app. I think it's mentioned here, post hoc for tracking not only onboarding but basically overall stuff to see what the user is actually doing, what's interesting for him, or what parts of the app he's using. So that should be very beneficial.